Hey everyone, welcome back to Bitfix. Today I'm going to walk you through writing a motivation letter specifically for the Open Door Scholarship. The Open Door Scholarship has a unique structure for the motivation letter different from the usual ones. So if you're applying and want to make a strong impression, keep watching. Before you even start writing your motivation letter, the first thing you need to do is select the fields of knowledge that align with your scientific interests within the selected subject. You can choose from 1 to 3 blocks of fields of knowledge. Each block will have a field of knowledge and a corresponding scientific direction. This part is very important because it sets the tone for your entire application. Make sure the fields you choose reflect your passion and expertise. Now let's get into the actual structure of the motivation letter. The Open Door Scholarship requires a specific sequence, so let's break it down. Describe yourself, your academic journey, and what drives you as a student. Share a bit about your passion for the subject you're applying for. Be genuine. This is where the reviewers get to know who you are beyond your grades and certificates. For example, you can talk about when you first became interested in your field and what inspires you to pursue it further. Next up is your professional achievements. This part is where you get to show off your skills and what you've accomplished so far. Think about internships, certifications, projects, or any relevant experience that makes you a strong candidate. If you've participated in research, completed projects, or won awards, mention them here. For example, if you've built a successful app, led a research project, or managed an e-commerce website like I have, share those details. Remember to highlight how these achievements have prepared you for further study in your chosen field. Now let's move on to the third section, your reason for choosing the specific subject. This part should explain why you want to study this subject in depth. Think about what fascinates you most about this field. Is it the opportunity to solve real-world problems, the potential for innovation, or the desire to contribute to a particular area of research? Make sure to link your past experiences to this subject. If you're applying for computer science, you might mention how your experience as a web developer sparked your interest in advanced software development and data analysis. And finally, the last section, your reason for choosing Russia. Why do you want to study in Russia specifically? It's important to mention the unique advantages of studying in Russia, like its strong academic reputation in your field, research facilities, or the opportunity to immerse yourself in Russian culture. You could talk about how the environment at Russian universities, like their focus on research and innovation, aligns perfectly with your academic goals. You could also mention how studying in Russia can provide you with a new perspective and help you grow both academically and personally. Here are some quick tips to make your motivation letter stand out. Keep it concise, but don't be afraid to show your passion. Use clear professional language, but let your personality shine through. Make sure you proofread for any errors. A clean, well-written letter makes a great impression. And finally, tailor each part of your letter to reflect the values and strengths of the Open Door Scholarship program. Don't use AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini to write your motivation letter. Open Doors has clearly mentioned in their rules that they use AI detectors and plagiarism checkers. So make sure to write your letter yourself. It's okay to get ideas, but don't copy paste everything, put it in your own words to ensure authenticity. That's it for today's video on how to write a motivation letter for the Open Door Scholarship. I hope this breakdown helps you craft a compelling and effective letter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Bitfix for more tips and tricks, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Good luck with your application, and I hope to see you succeed. And stay tuned because I'll be making upcoming videos on how to write a motivation letter using AI with zero plagiarism and how to prepare for the Open Door second stage test. You definitely don't want to miss those.